overdue. I don't know what color she likes, but I think that I like that too. But I really liking how she does smile. Tell your mama she had a perfect child. But I really liking how she does smile.
Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I am like so happy because I've hit two, not just one, of my goals that I wanted to achieve during my social media journey. I checked my subscribers today and I have 51 subscribers. My goal was 50 by May and we did it. Like, listen, I don't set unrealistic goals because there's no point in doing it. You know, if I do achieve a goal or overachieve a goal that I set, that is an extra plus. Okay, but I also hit 500 on Instagram. That's the crowd applauding. Okay, if you are not following me on Instagram, make sure you run on over and follow me on Instagram because my Instagram is lit AF. Okay, back to you guys. So thank you and welcome to my new subscribers. You guys have made me like super happy today. And to my loyal, you know, my day ones, you know, who rocked with me when, you know, even still people don't know me, but you know, you still grind with me, you still ask me questions, you still make the time to watch my videos. Thank you guys. I love you guys. Okay, so just to let you know what we are doing today, I went on Facebook and I saw this photo come up that said 7 years ago. So I got the idea from seeing that picture to do like a glow up series. So what I'll be doing is I will be recreating some of the looks from when I started to do makeup originally, which was I think 2012, 2013. So this week I am just doing a glow up edition, basically, just to say, you know, when I started, this is what, you know, I thought a smoky eye was, or this is how I did my smoky eye back then and thought, you know, I was the shit, and this is how my smoky eye is now. So I'm just going to show you guys how I achieved this look. But before I do all of that, let's just, you know, stick with the house rules. Make sure if you like this video, you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and grow with the Empress D family, like all my new subscribers and all my oldie goldie. I love you guys equally. And make sure you hit the notification bell, join the notification bell gang, and just enjoy the videos that I create for you guys. Okay, I love you guys. See you in a second.
Well, you can't dictate my pace like the old people say. You can't study people who go help you when you're back against the wall. You can't study people who go pick you up in case you fall. If they don't like you, then you're doing something right. Just keep on doing it. Let them respect you for
Right guys, so as usual we are starting with one eye completed, and we are going to replicate this eye over here as we normally do. So I'm starting with my brows completely done, and you may notice that they're a little bit darker than normal, and it's literally because I've gone back to using my pencils. I just wanted this to be like a really quick look, since I'm just doing like a recreation of my look that I did 7 years ago. So for majority of my brows, I went in with the Technique black brow pencil, and then I went in like literally just at the top here with this saffron brown waterproof eyebrow dark brown pencil. Yeah, it is what it is. And I did my brows, okay, and then I cleaned it up with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. Okay, Right, so for this eye look, I used the Jamrock Universal eyeshadow palette. As you guys will know, if you have subscribed to my channel or if you've watched my videos, you would know that this is currently my favorite eyeshadow because it is very pigmented. Okay, it is pigmented to the gods. Okay, so just to let you know the colors that I'll be using, just to save me a little bit of time, I will be going in with Zine first, then Eyeliner, and then I will go in with maroon here, and then I will go in with blackish to complete this look. Okay, just to say, if you have any creases, which I did just now, always make sure that you go in and blend out your creases so your eyeshadow does not, you know, crease up and look a hot mess. Okay, so that is all I'm doing. I am literally just blending out my creases, and then I will start with my look. So guys, what I'm doing is basically just packing on my eyeshadow, and then I will look to blend it out after. Always remember to blend your eyeshadows as best. Blend until your wrist hurts you. Like I am not a professional blender like some of these people that I see and that I aspire to blend like, but I always try my best to blend my eyeshadows as best as possible, and that is the only thing that I can recommend you to do. Blend until your hand hurts. Okay? If your hand doesn't hurt, you are not blending enough. No, that's not true. Right, I'm switching brushes just to let you guys know this is a crease brush, and I am just going to use this to blend out the black. Okay, I don't know if you guys are paying attention, but I was using smaller brushes as I go. I think I actually bought this from Superdrugs many moons ago when I thought that I wanted to do makeup, and I just, I didn't sustain it for any period of time. But yeah, I am now, and I am push this in. Your girl is punching. Okay, if you follow me on Instagram, or if you don't, make sure you do, because I do have a lot of mini tutorials and looks on there that I have not done on here, and things that I'm allowed to post on there which I don't really feel comfortable in posting on here, or it doesn't make sense for me to post it on here, are on my Instagram. So make sure you follow your girl, okay? And also just to note that this is a clean brush. It don't have eyeshadow on it either, okay?
She thinks I am nice and I kiss it is overdue. I don't know what color she likes, but I think that I like that too. But I really like.
I forgot to tell you guys, I went in my inner corner with Gorgeous, which is this one, and I'm just gonna pop that in my inner corner. I'm just going to pop offline and do my lashes, and I'll be back in a second. Right guys, so I have popped on my lashes and I am literally just here to say that I am now going to go do my base. Okay, so I literally will see you guys in 1 second now. Right, okay guys, I am back and this is the final look. What do you guys think? I like it. I'm just going to insert my picture again here, 7 years ago. Today. Tell me what you guys think of my group. Okay? Bye guys.